Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Dave Dare and this is Dare RC Hobby Reviews. Hi guys, let's check out this little mini Predator RC airplane. It has two props on the back side of the wing, and you have a elevon type setting, or set up on the flaps, so you can do elevator and ailerons, and then you can steer with the motors. I bought this at Temu. It was under $60. So without any further ado, let's check this out. Let's get it up in the air and see what it can do. It's breezy today, so we'll see. Let's hope it survives. Fresh out of the box, maiden flight. Wish me luck. Thanks for watching. Hope you're all doing well. Okay, first we want to turn on the airplane. Set it on the surface. Turn on the remote. Throttle up and then down. It's ready to go. Yep, you can steer with the motors. You can see how it controls the flaps too. That's up and down elevator, and there's left and right. Left, right. And there's motor control. Alright, let's give it a toss, see what I can do. Whoa, here goes a lot of breeze. It's turning. Very cool. How about that? I didn't think it would manage this kind of breeze, but it is. It's pretty windy. Very impressed. I'm going to keep it low. Keep it close. Not sure the range. It's a tiny remote, so imagine a couple hundred feet probably. Be a safe guess. Unbelievable. I wouldn't recommend flying it in this kind of wind, but it's doing it. The gyro's doing it. Getting too high, I better get down. So far, I haven't had any range issues that I've noticed. Very cool. It looks just like a little Predator drone. That is so cool. Pushing it to the limits. It's handling it. Impressive. don't think I'm going to try any stunts today. It's too windy. On the second flight. It's flying really well though. Very controllable. Gyro's doing its job. I'm not sure if you can turn the gyro off. I believe you have like a big rudder, little rudder type setting. I've got it on the second setting, like the big rudder right now. Very cool, guys. Well, no complaints. I'm impressed. I'm very surprised it's flying in this. Look at them trees. Alright, let's bring her in for a landing. Sideways. Cool. That was nice and light. Landing. Can't beat it. Well, thank you, Temu. Another good product. Little Predator. How about that? Got the Air Force stickers on it. Very cool. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.